All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome for the morning meeting here in the Cyber Group room on the 16th of May. Hopefully everybody's enjoying halfway through the month already. Looks like we had a nice little rally with a couple of big stocks going on, so we're going to check them out in pre-market. Once again, it's all about pre-market. A lot of stocks are making some big moves. I want to talk a little bit about the HEAR trade, the HEAR trade, and we'll talk about this one right here that's doing phenomenal. This Blink, this BLNK. Oh my God, it's everywhere. So we're gonna talk about that. But before we do that, hopefully everybody's been enjoying class. We had a really good advanced class yesterday. Today's our last lesson. We have two more lessons to go. We got the morning and the afternoon, so hopefully everybody's getting ready to log into that room. A lot to cover. I'm going to talk a little bit about in the advanced class. I'm going to talk a little bit about shakes, and I'm also going to talk about the 30-second rule and also three strikes you're out rule. There's a couple of rules. Remember, it's all about discipline, knowing where to get in, where to get out. We're going to talk a little bit about that. So, and then we're going to do what we always do, just trade and try to make money. But remember, it's not about me. It's about you guys learning from it. And that's what it's all about. But overall, let's talk about some of the big winners that we had yesterday. I know a lot of you are in this position right now. Listen, 8:30 gets a worm right there. Look, 5:20, already 680, guys. Unbelievable. You guys are killing it in BLNK. And by the way, there is a warrant. I don't know if you know that. BLNKW. Right there you could trade the warrant right there, that one also. But BLNK's been on a big tear lately, so we've been doing pretty well with that one. So good job on that trade right there. All right, now what we traded yesterday, just want to go through them really quick. The CLWT, that was my big winner yesterday. I was pretty much done in pre-market with that trade right there. You can see it right there. It just popped out of nowhere. Just literally went from like $4.50 to $6. We killed it on that trade, the CLWT trade. That was probably a great trade. The R. Huh? Oh, screen's not sharing. Hold on one second. Should be sharing. Let me try it again. Hold on. Here we go. Everybody see the screen okay? It should be okay. There we go. A lot better. All right, probably just had to refresh. All right, so there's a CLWT, and then also another big winner was the RKDA trade right there. Let me bring that up. Oops, spelt it wrong. Too many R's. RKDA. There we go. All right. So that one also was a nice little mover. Once again, 2-hour trader right there. Boom. There you go. It went from 9 to about 12. Beautiful winner right there. Some of you remember this stock when it went from 5 to about 65. It was a great day trade in 2 days. We really killed it on that one. But once again, it's not about maxing out. Remember what I told you, the tip of the day. Great traders don't buy at the bottom and sell top. We always buy in between, and that's what it's all about. It's about taking your profit for the day and then moving on. All right, so RKDA did really well for us. And then obviously the HEAR. I mean, my God, this thing is just a damn animal. I actually bought a couple of, I got a little nervous chasing a stock like this, so I actually made a phone call to my son, and HEAR, because it's a big gaming stock, and I don't know if you guys know this, but gaming is not it's not $1 million business. It's a multi-billion-dollar business. I mean, I'm talking like it could even get to the trillions. It is just a huge business, and I know for a lot of us that are older here, we're probably looking at, who cares about gaming? Yeah, you have no idea how big gaming is. It is ridiculous. It's one of the biggest things that it also helped Microsoft with their Xbox. It is such a huge business. So, apparently this company has, the niche in some headset. And I mean, we were looking at this thing was literally like 50 cents. Now look at it. It's at, 19.50. Almost at $20 already in pre-market. So I own very little of it because, you know me, us. We don't trust anything, and it's just a matter of time when this thing could tank. But when you do a swing trade, you always trade just 10 times less. That's all. But let's see what happens. You know what I mean? It was a great day trade yesterday, 1450 to about 1950, and then also what was happening right now. So we'll keep a close eye on it. All right. So that's what we got going on, and that's what happened yesterday. Okay, a couple of stocks going on this morning. Obviously, the BLNK. I mean, hands down, we're killing. Look at $7. Oh my God! Look at these sellers. 28,000 share buyer out there. Come on, is anything more? 23,000. Anything more you need to see? Oh, look at that. He's getting hit right there. Beautiful little iceberg order out there. The stock's going really, really fast. So anyway, he's not your typical level one anymore. We're not in Kansas. So be very careful, when you're trading a stock like this. But let me tell you, unbelievable volatility. You guys are killing it on that one. Also, the BLNK also did really well. A couple other ones that haven't made big moves yet, but the volume is kind of okay. The GEMP, there's one right there. That one doesn't look terrible right there. It's got some good volatility, good movement. There was also this ABAX, but I don't know. I thought it was a little bit on the expensive side. What else did I have over here on my list that I found? Here we already know about. That one's going to be on our watch list. Losers. What did I find in losers? This stock's taking a big hit, but it was on a big rally already. The EOLS trade right there. You can see it right there. It was up, went from like $8 to 17. It's backing down. So I don't know if she's on your short list, but be careful. Spread's pretty big right there. And if you're wondering why it's going down, that's the reason why. Listen, profit taking's going on. Also, the same thing. You all know about the RDVT. Whatever we see in the gainers always shows up in our losers. And there you go. Boom. Thing had a huge rally. Stock is a new IPO, not too old. Went from like 5 all the way to 10, back down to 450, up to 10, and now it's on us back down. So I don't know if she's probably not on a short list because it's such a new company, but you can put that one also on your list. Another one that's kind of making a really, really big pop, but the pre-market is not really moving that much. It's kind of flatlined right now, but you could see this boot stock right here doing really well. It's been a great day trade. Went from 17 to 22, and then now you can see how the stock went all the way. It's up at $26. Great push right there. That's why day trading is very important to understand what's going on, because this is what we're looking at. Let you know if you're ready to do a swing trade versus day trade. And by the way, guys, just a quick reminder, like I told you, we have a swing trading course coming up, so we'll give you a heads up when that happens. Because I know a lot of us here try to day trade. Some of you can't afford it. Some of you, whatever it is. But you know what? You can always build your account small on a swing trade, and also you got to be very diversified. You got to bounce around. Now a couple other ones also. This one right here really interests me pretty big, is this SE trade. SE, you could see, I think it did a reverse stock split. The stock was at 42. Stock got killed. It's on a little bit of an uptrend. It's got some really nice pre-market. I spelled it wrong. Hold on. It's SE. I'm sorry. It's not coming up. There you go. So SE right there, you could see it. Stock took a big hit. And it's been a little bit of an uptrend all of a sudden. So I don't know, maybe things are starting to change for C Limited America deposit. So let's keep a close eye on this one. I think this could be a little bit of a sleeper that we're looking for. What else did I have over here? Oh, what's going on with this is interesting. Macy's is back in the news. Macy's is basically gapped up from 29 to 34 in pre-market. I don't know what news I'll check the news out on it, but look at that thing. And now it's on a downtrend. But look at that, 4.6 million shares already traded. Whatever it was, somebody gapped that thing up pretty big. And that's about it. I think that's about all the stocks that we have going into this morning. So we got pretty good earnings. Is that what it came out with? Okay, in Macy's. Well, listen, Macy's is worth a lot of money because it also has a lot of one of the most expensive piece of real estate in Manhattan. So they own a lot of their property. But listen, in a good economy, those companies do well. All right. So we don't have that many stocks as much as we had yesterday, but let me tell you, we definitely have a great move in a lot of these big winners. So keep a close eye on them. You could see the BLNK. Is right there, right around that $7 price range. I mean, thing is damn strong, I'll tell you that. Whatever it is, definitely Wall Street loves it. And then obviously the here is just like it's just literally just it's here is coming back actually. Took a little bit of a hit in pre-market, came back down, had a little hiccup right here, and it came back up. So kind of really like those stocks a lot. Anything else I'm missing I did not call out, guys? Yeah, listen, Benito, listen, some of the stocks that you want to go out there and short, sometimes the stocks maybe they already gave out all the shorts. Remember you can't do a naked short anymore. They changed that rule. So that's one of the issues. So that's why you got to be, if you really like a short, always check first if they have it, and because you don't want to go out of your way and prepare for it and then find out they don't have it. All right. But Box, the BOXL, what's up with that? Listen, we made a lot of money with Box, okay? The party's over with that too. Listen, the stock went from 4 all the way to 16, right back down to 5, right back to 12. Listen, whatever goes up comes down twice as fast, so maybe it's a short, okay? All right, everyone. So there's a list. So I'll see you all in the cyber group room. Like I said, if you're going to be a student, you're a gold, platinum, or diamond, I'll see you in the class. Remember, we have to learn before we earn. So, but hopefully some of you are not going to be in there. You're going to be trading. I'll just stick around the room. If I see something good, I'll share it. And for all of you new people that are listening to us, if you're on YouTube or you're just a trial member, hopefully you're enjoying seeing what's going on, and hopefully you make this as a career and let us teach you how to do it so you can be part of the family, because that's what it's all about. You got to learn before you can earn. Guys, good luck. Happy trading, everyone, and I'll see you all in class.